All pretty aware by now that the Philippines has just been battered with a 6.8 magnitude earthquake just last night. But is all of this actually natural? Let me show you something. Okay, so over the last few weeks, we have seen a massive chain of powerful earthquakes rattling Asia and parts of the Pacific, Afghanistan, the Philippines, tremors that are very close to Russian territory. We're not talking about just a couple small shakes either. These are major earthquakes, 6.0, 6.8, 8.8. You know, communities are completely devastated, buildings are destroyed, and lives are flipped completely upside down. And yes, a lot of this happens along the Pacific Ring of Fire, you know, one of the most active seismic regions in the world. But the cluster of timing and the geographical proximity to Russia's sphere has definitely raised many eyebrows. Okay, so let me introduce you to Vladimir Putin's brand new toy that he has just finished a 10-year construction of. Under the surface, quite literally, Russia has been developing something that sounds like it has came straight out of a Cold War thriller. This is called Poseidon, the god of the sea, the mythological god that caused earthquakes and tsunamis to the earth. This is a nuclear-powered, nuclear-armed, autonomous torpedo. This beast isn't launched like a traditional missile. It's designed to travel deep underwater, evade detection, and if needed, detonate near enemy coastlines to generate massive radioactive tsunamis. Now, reports are saying that the first units of this machine have already been built and tested many times, and Putin has bragged about this system publicly, making sure that the world knows exactly that this exists. Now, some military analysts have even theorized that testing such a device in sensitive tectonic regions could, in theory, influence fault lines or trigger seismic disasters. It's not proven, but technically possible. Now, let's piece all of this together, you know, a cluster of major earthquakes near areas of Russian naval activity. A brand new underwater nuclear system that is built to create devastation through the ocean itself. A worldwide tension that is already sky high. Is it really that far-fetched to at least ask the question? What if some of these earthquakes aren't just natural? What if behind the scenes strategic tests or power moves are happening in a way that the public will never be told? Because remember, underwater activity is one of the easiest places to hide military operations. The ocean is vast, deep, and incredibly difficult to monitor. Now, I'm not saying this is 100%, but imagine if it was, you know, this is a real thing. They have